Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So I'll start this off short and sweet. This is just going to be a bit of everything, bit of loads of other stuff we've got to do today. So first, we've got this 18 plate. It's making a really weird noise. Let's see if it does it. Start it. Making like, the only way to describe it is like a compressor noise. Noise. They don't do it all the time. It's very weird. But either way, let's get it in, let's get the cab over and let's have a look. Can you hear it slightly? This sounds like a compressor. But anyway, get the cab over and have a look. So before I've even got the cab over, I found the problem. There's our problem. Let's get that back on and then let's see if that fixes it. Let's try it. Well, we ain't got that noise anymore. Now we've got a bit of an exhaust flow. So today I'm going to do a little something different. It's not just going to be individual jobs. I've had a noise coming from an engine earlier, which we sorted obviously. Now I've got MOTs to do. We're just gonna do all the core bits and bobs, and then we've got our pool car's got a massive fuel leak, so hopefully the bits have been fit out and we can do a video on that as well. But it's just going to be general day-to-day stuff, service sheets and all that kind of stuff. So a little bit something different. But yeah, let's get cracking on with the day. So done at the top battery test. While I was there, jacked the back wheels up and we've took the cover off the top and just spun them through the top and had a proper look that way. Now it's time to sort of, I've already done a shake and brake as well. Now it's time to really check underneath, have a good look around. We've got to do gearbox diff oil change, air filter, air dryer, I think pollen filters maybe as well. So we have a look round and yeah, this is just literally just a day stuff, what we'll do. You know, it's not always doing engine stuff as much as I'd love to be doing that all the time. It is a mixture of loads of different things, so yeah, let's get cracking on. Chock there, but there is our filter. I think they're 30mm head, so let's get that undone and then we'll have a look inside, I'll clean it all out and we'll put the new one on. So all I'm going to do is replace the O-ring. So I cleaned inside, just going to fit in very So how tight should you do it? Put it up by hand, as always, with any filter. You don't have to go mad. Simple as that. So going to get the catwalk back down, the bolt back up, and then we'll go through all the little filters we've got to change. See, a lot of people might have looked at that job and gone, nah, I can't be asked to do that. Yeah, it's been changed, I'll clean it. Just do it, innit? Alright, you don't want any comebacks on everything, anything like that, so just do it. So I'm going to do the pollen filter in and out. There's 3 filters in the pollen. So let's have a look at that, and I'll show you, if you haven't done them before, how easy they are to do. So this is the pollen out. And then we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx bolts first. I'll attempt to do this one-handed. So one, hang on. So next bit, these little clips, they literally pop out of here and here, and then pull it out like that. One out of there. And there's our little filter. There's 1 and 2. So now they're out. It's literally just the opposite. So that's that done. So now it'll be, we've got to do a crank vent on it as well. I've already done a video on that, so I won't really feel much of that. Do the air filter and we'll drop the gearbox and diff oil. Right, so let's have a quick chat for a minute or so. So, obviously where I am, where working wise, it is similar. Not all the time, but I obviously made a couple of videos that are similar. And I want to change the variety a little bit. So, I'm going to carry on doing all this. We'll do some, I'm sure, you know, as things get older and that, you get more defects. I'm going to try and do some more trailer stuff as well, because I haven't really done any, I haven't done any trailer stuff actually. But also I want to run an idea. Drop down in the comments and let me know what you think to it. I quite like to do crash damage stuff, cars, spares or repairs, but not just cars. So I want to work my way from a car. I've seen one, a little Fiesta, little Z-Tech S, actually not far from here. So that's got a head gasket thing, so we'll do a bit of engine stuff, do a bit of engine rebuilding again on something different. Work from a car to a van. Keep, if I have to do a couple of cars and then eventually get a damaged van or do something like that, and then just so we don't just have the same variety of doing the truck stuff, or you know, it's a different variety of different stuff. So drop down in the comments and let me know what you think to that. I'll put some money aside to be able to do something like that. So I'm potentially going to have a look at one this week. The Beetle thing is out the way at the minute. It's out the way. But yeah, that's something I want to do, is, you know, a bit more work-wise. So drop down in the comments and let me know what you think of that idea, whether you still stay subscribed and want to watch it or not. Let me know, because I want to keep obviously everyone entertained, as well as me learning stuff as well, and just add different variety to the channel. So if you wouldn't mind dropping in the comments and let me know what you think of that idea, I'll proper appreciate it. There's our little one there. So 30 mils on these, make it 6 all together. Let's whip it off. So I'm back home. Didn't have time to really finish it. I got the crank vent back on, got all that sorted. Got to go into mine, just clear all the faults and do little bits and bobs. But this video was literally just a day in the life just the general stuff. We'll do a little bit of how-to stuff, but mostly what happens in the day. I might do another one where I'll start from the day, and then we'll see what happens during the day. So have a think about and drop a comment below what you think to my idea about the crash damage stuff, or the spares or repair stuff, anything like that. I'm gonna think about adding to the channel, add a little bit of variety and everything like that. I'm hoping to get to the point where I can build cars, a few cars, but then go to vans as soon as I can, and then go on to trucks. That's my idea. My ultimate aim is to do that. That is what I want to do. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying the content still. If you haven't already, if you could click that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. If you could like, comment, even share the videos, I'd really appreciate it. Carry on supporting. You know, I love everyone's support that they give, and the comments are just so good. I couldn't ask for a better bunch of people to support my channel. So I hope you're keeping well, and I hope I'll catch you all in my next video.